nonprofits, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to share how you can film and edit videos using just your iPhone. This is a perfect way to create affordable videos for your nonprofit. We recently polled a lot of nonprofits to find out what kind of video they wanted to see, and you guys voted the #1 video was to see how to create affordable videos. So today I'm going to give you a behind the scenes look at how I film videos, how I edit the videos, so that you can do the same. It's easy, and I think as soon as you realize how easy it is, you'll be out there making some new videos for your nonprofit. And make sure to stay to the end because we have a special giveaway for you. But before we jump in, I wanted to read 2 statistics. The first is, according to HubSpot, social media posts with video have 48% more views. And the second, the same source, HubSpot, says that adding video to your emails can increase click-through rates by 300%. That's why video is so important. There are a ton more statistics that show that video is not going anywhere, that brands and nonprofits need to get on the video train. So let's get into this video. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show you is how to film a video using just natural light and your phone. Don't worry, if you don't have a window, I'll show you some other tricks later in this video. So the key to filming with natural light is to actually face the window. I'll show you in a second what that looks like. It's actually gonna look better than me looking at the camera with the window behind me. So this is a big mistake that people make. So if your windowsill is lower like mine, you can find a prop like a book. I have a frame. So I use this frame because it makes the phone about eye level when it's propped up here. So I'm going to open up my camera. I'm going to click it onto video, and I'm going to hit record so that you can see what I'm seeing here. And you'll notice that when I'm faced this way, my face is lit up. The lighting is great. So this is why you want to face the window. And what you want to do here is, if you're taking a video like this, an idea could be that you give an update about your nonprofit. Maybe it's a weekly update, maybe it's a monthly update, and maybe it's from a key staff person or a CEO. But the key is you can provide statistics on what kind of impact you're making, and people actually really love to see a face of an organization. So if you just started with putting out a video like this, you're gonna win the video game and start to see how videos will increase your engagement online. So I'm gonna click this off. And the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually show you how I would edit it from here. And one of the reasons we're doing this video with the iPhone is so that I can show you how to edit on iMovie and through a different app that I use called Video Shop. So now I'm gonna show you how easy it is to edit that video. And it's gonna pop up right here. So I'm gonna record my screen and it'll show you what I'm doing. And the reason we're doing this on the iPhone is so that you can use iMovie to trim your video. So most likely the only editing that you're going to need to do is cutting off the first part where you're setting up and pressing record and pressing record to stop it again. So to do that, you just go into your camera to find the video clip. And when you get it, you go to the edit button, and that's going to pop up iMovie for you. And on the bottom there is a little icon on the left. It's a pair of scissors, and that's how you can trim your video. So you just click that to trim, you find the place that you want to start. So for this one, it's not gonna look the best because I kind of just started and went right into it. But most likely you'll give yourself a minute. And then you're gonna wanna trim off the back end of it so that it's exactly where you want it. And when you click done, it's going to export that new clip for you, and then it's ready to upload to YouTube or to your social media channels, to your website, wherever it is that you want to put it. Okay, so the next thing I want to show you, maybe you don't have a window sill, and so you'll need something like a tripod to put your phone on. Now, this tripod is a 50-inch tripod. It comes with a universal smartphone holder, so you just stick your smartphone in here. And it also comes with a wireless clicker so that you can start your video and stop your video without having to get up and press the button, which is really nice. This is about $15 on Amazon, and we'll include a link in our description. This one is only 50 inches, which might seem like a lot, but it's really about 4 feet. So if you are going to be standing, this is not going to work. But if you're going to be at a desk and your desk is not super high and you don't have a high chair, then this could work for you. What we recommend to be safe so that you can use it whether you're sitting or standing or at an event is to actually get a taller one. So this one is 72 inches. It also comes with the smartphone, universal smartphone holder and the wireless remote. This one is about $50, and so it's really easy to use. All you do is you twist on these smartphone holders. And with just a quick click of the remote, I can press it and I would start recording. And if I press it again, it ends the video. So that's another affordable way that you can create a video using just your iPhone and a tripod. And you can edit the same way with your iMovie if you need to. But if you're using this wireless remote, most likely you won't. So now we're at the Back Bay in Newport Beach. I wanted to change things up a little to show you that a tripod can capture a really great video of not just you standing in front of a camera in your office or in an indoor place, but also an outdoor place. I know many of your nonprofits work in nature or you work with kids, and so you want to be out in the field capturing a beautiful video. So this is one great thing about the tripod is that you actually can move it from side to side, and it provides a stabilization that's easy for you to capture. And in a moment, I'm going to show you another tool that we use so that if you are an action-oriented nonprofit, maybe you work with kids and they do sports of some sort, I'm going to show you the perfect tool. Okay, the last tool that I want to show you is the Osmo. And this is a stabilizer for your phone. And just a quick note, I'm filming the video right now with my tripod. So you can have a couple different pieces of equipment and get a different couple angles. So just wanted to put that little note out there. But to use the Osmo, you just put your phone in it. You have to download an app that helps sync things up. And when you turn on the Osmo, it automatically positions it in a good space so that it's, not tilted and it's even. And what I can do now is I can hit the record button and I can walk around with this and it's not going to be shaky or fuzzy. So I'm actually going to go do a quick video so that you can see what I'm talking about. You can be running with the players and capturing things real time. Or maybe you have some kind of an event where you have performances. You can use this Osmo to capture what's going on. You can go live on Facebook, you can just create a video and then upload it later. There's many uses for this. So we hope that you're finding this video helpful. If you are, give us a like. If you've learned something, it would really help us. And if there's more things that you want to know or things we didn't cover, please comment below. And maybe this was all you needed. We'd love to know who's watching. Drop the name of your nonprofit in the comments. And stay tuned. We have one more surprise, and that's our giveaway. Now that you know some of the easiest ways to capture video for your nonprofit from your iPhone, I want to show you 2 quick tricks in iMovie on how to edit that video. So what you want to do is open iMovie and go to Import Media. Then you want to look for the video that you created and import that. Once it's imported, you drag it to the editing area. And for the sake of this example, let's trim off the front and the back like we did on the actual iPhone app. So what we want to do is just click it and start to drag it to the right, to the point that we want it to start. So once we release it, that's going to be the starting point. Same thing on the end, we just click it and start selecting it to the right, and we can pick an ending point. Because this video doesn't have an official start and end, we're not going to play the audio to show you the final result, but this is what you would be able to do for your videos when they have a clear beginning and a clear end. And one other thing that you might want to do is add text to your videos. So at any time you can add in text either for a title to introduce the video, or you can add text. Maybe there's numbers that you want to show for your nonprofit or special text. So for this video, let's go ahead and just drag in the title at the beginning. So you literally just select it and drop it right onto the area where you want the title to start. So we're gonna just go in here and type how to create affordable videos. And we're gonna say nonprofit marketing, and that's gonna be the title of our video. So now if we select the start of the video and hit the space bar, you'll see that the title appears on the video for the first 4 seconds. If you want the title to appear for the whole length of the video, you can do that by just dragging the purple area all the way to the end or to whichever part you want it to stop. So we'll say 4.5 seconds. Now let's pretend in the middle of the video, I was sharing a statistic about the people that we were helping. I can drag one of these other titles onto the starting point. And let's just say, we helped over 1,000 people this month. Now, when I let that go, I can select where the title starts, hit the space bar, and that text is going to appear over the video. So these are just some really quick and simple editing tools that you can use, or editing features you can use on iMovie to give your videos a little extra oomph. And to thank you for sticking around to the end of this video, we have a special giveaway. So we want to give one of you one of these Ultra 72-inch tripods from Amazon. So in order to win, all you need to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel and leave a comment below. We will select a winner in 1 week, so make sure that you subscribe and comment, and we'll announce the winner in our next video.